Without foundation, the building will topple. Still, trees stand strong because the roots are deep inside. If the roots are shallow, then the tree also will fall to the wind. Similarly, life also is growing. We are growing in life. All of your children in the schools, we are growing. ಈ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ಒಂದು ಬುನಾದಿಯನ್ನ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. We should make the foundation of our values very strong. Otherwise, we see that even people who have achieved big things in life, they also crumbled because of lack of values. I'll tell you a story to help you understand. Are you ready? There is a village, and in that village there were two doctors. So there was Dr. A and there is Dr. B. Dr. A was very expert. He was very
ಗೌರ್ ಹರಿದಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎರಡು ಮಾತು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನ, ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ.